Remember one thing, when you are doing something wrong, as a mu'min, at least feel in your heart what I'm doing is wrong. Wallahi, that feeling will save you. Because the first time you committed the sin, you feel guilty. The second time, the guilt is less. The third time, the guilt is even less. The fourth and fifth and sixth time, guess what happens? You don't even feel it's a sin anymore. It's just becomes nature. Allah says, when you feel bad with your sin, it's a sign that you're a believer. Why would I feel bad? Because I love Allah. I have a weakness, but I love Allah. I want Him to forgive me, strengthen me.